Hi Crafty Friends, I'm Sylvia. Welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. Today we're going to do an unboxing of a from Diamond Art Club, and it's round, and it's from this wonderful artist, very talented, by Claudia Tremblay. And this one is round, like I mentioned before. So it comes in this beautiful box, very shiny. If you scan this, you unlock 10% off. You also have how it works, the instructions, and what's in the kit. Okay, so let's open this baby up. I'm super excited about this one, guys. First time I saw Claudia Tremblay's artwork was from DIY Moon Shop, and I was never able to get it from there. And so when I saw this at Diamond Art Club, I was like, yay, thank you. Okay, so I got everything out of the box. Yeah. Okay, so it comes with this is the new toolkit. And comes with 2 stickers. This is a small one, and this one you could either put it underneath the box or on your logbook. So, okay. Let's open up the toolkit. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day today. Ooh, never seen this color. Very nice. Look at this. Look at this pen, guys. It's like a burgundy. Very pretty. And there goes the little scrunchie. Same color, similar color. Okay. It comes with this very pretty washi tape. Let's see if I can get this. My nails have not been helping, but I think I got this one, guys. Let's see. I've got to trim my nails. But look at how pretty that is, guys. It's like little purple flowers. It goes with the pen. Okay. And it comes with little bags to put your drills if you don't have the containers. Comes with a heart-shaped wax container, and the wax is inside. There's 2 of them in there. And the tray that I love, and it comes with a stopper, and it prevents the drills from spilling. And oh my gosh, look how cute this is. It says love. It's a little apple, and it's a cover minder. Isn't that pretty? Sparkles. That's pretty. And of course the placers. Okay, let's move all that to the side. All the canvases from Diamond Art Club come in this plastic bag to contain and keep the canvas clean. Okay. And I usually just keep this bag so I can put the canvas back in there later if I'm not going to work on it yet. Okay, so inside you have the drills, diamonds. And you have the instructions here. Thank you for your purchase. Tells you what's inside the kit. The thank you 10. It's a 10% off your next purchase. And they have a VIP Facebook group and step-by-step instructions. Okay. And this is the big sticker. So the name of it is Flowers and Tassel by Claudia Tremblay. You put the start date and the end date. It's round. The size is 20 by 26 inches, 51 centimeters by 66 centimeters. And it's got 2 ABs. And these are the stickers. They're pre-cut, and you put these on your container. Okay, very nice. All right. The canvas from Diamond Art Club is very soft, buttery soft actually. And this canvas is very it keeps the canvas nice and flat and prevent wrinkles. Okay, look at how gorgeous. My gosh, look at this, guys. She's absolutely beautiful. Okay, so on the top it says Do What Makes You Sparkle by Diamond Art Club. It's got a legend on both sides. One on the left hand side is on the top, and the one on the right hand side is on the bottom right. Okay. At the bottom you have the picture. It says Flowers and Tassel, 51 centimeters by 66 centimeters, and it's by Claudia Tremblay, Diamond Art Club, and this is licensed artwork. Okay, that means that the artist gets paid for this beautiful artwork. And then in the middle you have browse hundreds of unique designs at diamondartclub.com and use code TAKE10 for 10% off your next order. And then over here it says lifetime warranty. Your canvas comes with a lifetime warranty and a free missing diamonds protection from Diamond Art Club. It's wonderful. It's a wonderful company, guys. Now let me tell you a little bit about Claudia. Claudia is Canadian, and when she was young, she left to live in Guatemala, and she worked for an NGO, which is a non-government organization to work with Mayan women. And she lived there for 13 years, and she began painting the women there, capturing their beauty and their inner strength. Okay, so absolutely beautiful. Let's see how sticky this is, guys. Super sticky, super clear. Let's bring it up so you can see it. See how clear that is? And I don't know if you can tell, but very, very faint. The round ones now used to have the guided circle, and they're still there, but it's very, very faint and you can't even see it, but it's there. Okay, this is an absolute beauty. I love, love, love this artist, guys, and this is why when I first saw it, I was like, I'm gonna collect all her artwork because I love her. So there's a beautiful bumblebee, and it looks like it's an oil paint that's dripping. But just look at it. She's just absolutely gorgeous. Look, she has those beautiful brown eyes, beautiful lips, beautiful hair, and all her hair around her is the flowers. Just beautiful flowers surrounding her. Just absolutely gorgeous. Love her. Okay, so we're gonna look at the drills, guys. And so let's put the artwork over there for now, and we're gonna see the drills. Okay, so the first one is 221. Put it there so you can see it. 310, which is black, just one bag. 317, it's like a blue-gray. And 318, a gray. Just a little lighter than that one. Oh wait, that doesn't go there. It goes over there. Sorry about that. 414, another gray, and 415, a lighter gray. So let's move these like this. And 422 and 453. Okay, very pretty. Hopefully you can see them all. Okay, this is 443. There's 3 bags. It's like a light beige. Just very pretty. That's 443. 648 is like a gray. 758, it's like a peachy color. Very pretty. And 762, a very, very light gray. So we have lots of grays, guys. 842, there's 2 bags of 842. And 898, it's a very pretty brown. This one is 930, very pretty blue. 931, another blue but just lighter. 938, it's like a chocolate brown. And 939, very pretty blue. And 948, it's like a beige, very light beige. 3011, it's like a green. It is a green. 3012, a lighter green. 3064, very, very pretty. And 3072 is a very, very light gray. This is 3371, also like a very chocolate brown, darker brown than that one. Let's see. I try to put these in order. Okay, so this one's 37.21. Wow, look how pretty that is, guys. It's pretty like that. 37.50. It's a blue. 37.72. It's like a very pretty light brown. 37.82. 37.78, like a peachy, darker than that one. 37.99. It's like a gray, like a dark gray. All right, and let's go do the 38s now. This one is 38.28. 38.30. Very pretty. I might have to, okay, I think I have one more space down here. 38.57. It's like a brown red. That's really pretty. 38.58, just like this one, but slight. This one's a little lighter than this one. And 38.65 is white. And 38.66 is like a light tan or light beige, off-white. Okay, those are all the colors, guys. So we have lots of those red browns, blues, beige, and grays. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, so let's move all these aside. And these are the two ABs that we have. 104, very pretty, very shiny. And 118, I love this one. Okay, so we're gonna look at the canvas to see where these two ABs go. Okay, so let's move the canvas over here. And let's look. So according to this, 104 is number, let's look at the legend. 104 is number 1. So wherever you see number 1, that's where this AB is going to go. Okay, let's see. So number 1, where are you? Okay, I see it already, guys. It's on the flowers. So you got 1 scattered all over the flowers. Let's see where else. Yep, on the flower. Okay, so it's on the flower. And is there any on the bee? Nope. None on the B. Okay, so then this one is number 2. So wherever we see number 2, and it's like a very pretty, like a blue color. Where are you, number 2? Number 2. Okay, I see it. Let's see, any in the, there's some actually 2s here on the B. Let's see. Yep, there's some over here on her hair, all over here on her hair, over here on her hair. It looks like it's on her hair. Yep, so it's all over wherever you see that gray bluish color, like the dark grayish blue color on her hair. And then this is on the flowers. And of course you could add more ABs. Where would you put the ABs? But I don't know, I don't know. I would love to maybe put some ABs on her eye or maybe on those beautiful lips, but I love the innocence, you know? I just love it. It's just love it. This is beautiful. So that's about it, guys. So I hope you love it as much as I do, and have a wonderful rest of the day. Bye-bye.